Okay guys, today I will be testing my nail gun out one last time, and this one will be on YouTube. So, here's my nail gun. Okay. And I will shoot it. This is how you're supposed to shoot it. You're supposed to take this part right here at the end and pull it back. I will be showing you how to make this soon. Take this, pull it back, and release. So that's all you will have to do. Well, you will need a nail like this, and that's just for ammo. So let me test this baby out right now. Actually, just hold on for a second, because this one gun snapped. So I'll be grabbing one of my other ones, and I will be having to fix this after the video. So here I got this newer one. So I'm gonna test this out. And as you can see, it did not stick, but it went through 1, 2, 3. I'm just do this crowd right here. It went through about this many pages. So let's try this one more time. Set this crap up right here. Okay. Here we go. And there we go. Stick to it. So, bye YouTube. And I will show you how to make this shortly after. Bye.